I used to look in the mirror after getting dressed thinking, does this outfit make me look stupid? And no matter what I did, I couldn't figure out what I was actually wearing looked good on me. I usually always had to ask my partner to tell me if it does or doesn't, which isn't really how I wanted to spend my life, right? And all of this changed once I discovered this one thing which transformed my style and made the voice inside my head disappear. So in this video, I'm going to show you the clothing hack that can help you upgrade your look. Plus, I'll show you tricks to using this hack with the clothes that you already own. Take a look at this outfit. Here, I'm wearing a monochrome outfit, meaning where all the colors are kind of similar. As a tall and slender guy, this style unfortunately exaggerates my height and slimness, letting the eye quickly move from the bottom to the top without any pause. And clearly, this approach doesn't do me any favors, right? Compared to this outfit, where I've chosen colors that complement my skin tone, eye color and hair color, while also enhancing my body shape. By using the right colors, you can control your appearance, whether you want to look more confident, attractive, younger, taller, slimmer, or achieve any other look. On the other hand, getting it wrong can make you appear older, tired, or just plain dull. So how do we find the colors that truly enhance your features? There are multiple ways professional stylists use to find the right color palette for you. But before we can go there, you need to quickly understand that colors have so-called undertones, which is basically a fancy word for describing if a color is defined as warm or cool. This is important as your overall appearance will be classified as either warm or cool. In short, the more yellow is added to a color, the warmer the color gets, and the more blue you add, the cooler it gets. For example, if you have fair skin and look yellow golden, then you'd have a warmer undertone, for example. So how does this help you find colors that will enhance your appearance, right? Stylists often categorize people into one of four color seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. The colors typically associated with these seasons provide a guideline for which colors will suit you best. Let me show you now a few examples of men and their associated seasons, right? So winter men are characterized by a lot of depth in their complexion and a cooler vibe. There's typically a stark contrast between their hair color, eye color, and skin tone. Think of someone with, dark hair, light eyes, and fair skin. That's a classic winter look. Summer men typically have less contrast between their hair, eye color, and skin tone, meaning it kind of blends together easier. They might often have blonde or light brown hair, light colored eyes, and light blue, like blue or gray, and a pale or rosy complexion. Summer and winter are similar. The easiest way to distinguish between the two is if your appearance is striking and dramatic, then you're winter. If you're dusky, soft, and understated, then you're summer. We're now switching to the warmer seasons. So autumn men have warm undertones in their skin color. Think of shades like golden, copper, or bronze. Their hair might range from medium brown to auburn or even golden blonde. Their eye color could be anything from warm brown to green with golden flecks. An easy way to find an autumn man is if you have almost no contrast between your skin color, hair color, and eye color. It all blends together somehow. Spring men have a warm appearance but are a lighter, more vibrant tone. Their skin might be creamy white or light peach, often with skin that looks golden. They usually have golden blonde, honey blonde, or even dove gray hair. Their eyes are generally brighter and could be bright blue, green, with golden flecks, or even aqua. I've made this chart which summarizes all of the above and respective criteria. It should hopefully help you figure out which season you fall into. This is, by the way, the simplified version, which if you're a beginner is enough to start. More on that maybe in another video. Now let's dive into which colors work best for each season so you can check your wardrobe and see which colors make you look more radiant. If you're a winter, go for sharp, clear, and intense colors like white, black, navy, blue, red, and hot pink. For lighter options, try bright white or icy pastels such as cool blues and pinks. If you're summer, go for soft neutrals and pastels with a cool base. Colors like powder blue, dusty pink, mauve, rose brown, lavender, and pale yellow work well. If you're in autumn, go for rich, golden, and earthy colors. Muted and warm tones like camel, beige, olive, rich orange, gold, copper, and deep browns are ideal. If you're a spring, go for bright and clear colors that enhance your warm and vibrant complexion. Vibrant greens and fresh, lively colors work well, as the rich blues, to provide a sophisticated yet warm alternative to black. After watching this video, take some time to experiment with the colors in your closet. Ideally, stand by a window with natural light to make sure the sunlight isn't shining directly on you. Take a selfie of each outfit to compare it later. A color works for you if it makes your skin appear healthier and more radiant. It brightens your eyes or makes them pop/stand out. It gives you a fresher look where wrinkles are less noticeable. The colors harmonize with your overall features rather than competing against them. You've just unlocked a powerful hack that can instantly elevate your appearance. But did you know that celebrities like Tom Holland use specific colors with the aim to project confidence, even when they might feel the opposite? There's even a list of colors they avoid when they want to look their most confident. So watch this video next to discover how colors can change how people perceive you.